And we have Taha and Motaw Tua. On for rain or shine, we have Denzel Balls.
Bolick gets it to go. He's finally pushed a notch. Somebody poked at him.
Hindi pa lumalabas.
And Bolick, a very, very courageous drive.
But the important thing was being able to dribble and make the penetrating moves to the basket. A shooting guard and his colleague. That's why when he moved, probably people there, the coaches in bed, I told him, you want to make the down pitch.
Bolick creates room.
Good shot, difficult shot. 3-point shots for Rain or Shine. Parang
Nice.
He
has the green light.
always what he's been.
Yeah.
He could score, he could rebound, and he can a very good passer.
Bolick nails the first, cuts it down.
Polo dyan si Ed Dakiwag. Si Bolick naman he's gonna have to play 45 minutes in this sport. Pero ang problema niya, huwag lang siya pumaul out.
Yes! Bolick rings the bell! Bolick, good catch! And it's 97-91. We have a 30-second timeout. We'll hang on.
Now you may have to shoot a 3 because the shot clock.
Bolick! Yes! Si lakas ng proteksyon Cobra, the #1 energy drink. Boom! And Bolick, after that misreception earlier, gets this to go. Bolick escapes. Top shot by Robert Bolick.
And lumamang na dito ang Northport. Hindi,
Ayun.
may timeout. Hindi na tinatawag.